Hey, if you haven't heard, I've created this exclusive group for all of you to learn more tips and hacks about credit building, Navy Federal, high limit credit cards, investing, business credit, and much more. I'm going to be posting more tips and hacks that I can't post on YouTube. So make sure you go subscribe right now at onlyfans.com/designer soapbox. It's 50% off for the next 50 subscribers right now. On this channel, I have helped people get over 600,000 in credit, removing over 5,000 inquiries, and also removing 200 collections. Wait, there is more, and you don't want to miss it in this group. So make sure you join right now. See you there. Hey everyone, it's your girl Designer Soapbox, and I am back with another video. So in today's video, it's going to be a little bit different. I wanted to create this video to help those that are in the middle of credit repair and that has large debt or want to learn how to pay off credit card debt. I wanted to just go over a few solutions that can help you. So if you're interested, stay tuned. So first, let's just go over why are you in debt, right? So something that's really recent is you may have gotten laid off your job due to COVID-19 because of the pandemic, and a lot of jobs are actually going out of business and you're laid off, so you don't have a stable income. So you're unable to pay a lot of the bills that you were paying when you had a stable job. So this can ultimately lead into low on income and also low on finances, where you may have racked up a lot of credit card debt because of you now are needing the credit to sustain a stable lifestyle during COVID-19. So this is majority of Americans right now as we go into 2021. A lot of people are going into debt. Another reason why you may be into debt, if you do have a stable job still, but you're still seeing debt and poor financial spending. A lot of people actually go into debt not just because they don't have the money, but because of poor budgeting and no budgeting plan. So it is very important to know how your money is coming in, but also how your money is going out. You may have spent more than you make, which is also poor budgeting and also poor financial spending. So this indicates another reason why you're in debt, as well as no long-term financial goals. So if you do have a good job or you're getting a decent amount of income, but you don't have any long-term financial goals, whether that be savings, retirement, a home, a car, then you're just spending money just because, and you're going with the flow day by day, and your money is slowly decreasing out your bank account. So this could be a reason why you're in debt, because you're racking up a lot of payments and you can't pay them back. Now we're going to talk about what type of debt that you are currently in. So a major one is credit card debt, whether that being you have not paid off the credit cards that you have currently used, or you have a high utilization on your credit cards, whether that being 15,000, 10,000, 2,000, 500. Whatever your credit card limit is, you have gone over it or you have reached the max of it, and you're just paying the minimum, or you may not be paying none. So this will ultimately create debt for you as the consumer of that credit card. Also, high interest loans such as student and auto loans. High interest loans are basically loans, for example, if you take out a $5,000 loan and you have poor credit, or you're very young and you have no credit, likely most people take out high interest loans because they need the money right away, or they don't know much about interest. A high interest rate can really rack up more debt than what you're taking out, and this is something that you want to steer away from. Also, foreclosures and mortgage debt is a big deal, especially during this time where we're in COVID. And a lot of people aren't able to pay their mortgage due to the COVID-19. And you may have accumulated some debt over time, depending on if you can be in forbearance or not. Also, medical debt, medical bills and fees is definitely big, because we all have to go get checked up every year and see the doctor, whether that being dental, physical, or whatsoever. we still have to get checked and check our health. So if you don't have insurance, you can rack up a lot of medical debt, which is also something that a lot of us are currently in. So what not to do, right? So I talked about the debt. I know it was dreadful. No one wants to know what type of debt they're in, but it's something that as adults we have to be responsible for. So what not to do when you're in debt? I know everybody wants to pay off debt. I know it's a very barrier. I know it's something that's really scary to a lot of us. But let's just talk about what not to do, and let's talk about what steps that can actually get you more in trouble. So taking out more debt to pay down your current debt is something that you do not want to do. If you have a high debt, I know that a lot of people score will go down because of this, because they have a lot of utilization and they have a lot of, and their debt to income ratio is now high. So what a average person would do in this time of need is that they will take out either a same day loan or a high interest loan, which will put you more in debt to pay off that current debt. That is a no. Okay, so if you are thinking about taking out another loan, please do not take out the loan. Please find other ways to pay down the debt. There's other things that you can do to get this debt paid down. Taking out higher interest loans to pay down another high interest loan is definitely a no. So this is just like I said, taking out more money to pay down more money is basically you're becoming a slave to debt. So this is something that I highly don't recommend. If you are one of those people that are thinking about doing this, please don't do it. Taking out same day payday loans is the same thing. Most payday loans have a high interest rate, and it's just complete absurd. Even the smallest payday loan that's $150. Applying for more credit cards. Yes, even applying for more credit cards while you're in debt is also a no. Applying for more credit cards means that you will be likely to spend and max out those credit cards, which eventually will put you into more debt. So if you are able to get approved for more credit cards while you're in debt, it may not be a great idea because, yes, the likelihood of you maxing out those credit cards are high. So helpful tips, okay? So all debt is not bad debt, but too much debt can take a toll on your livelihood. So I want you guys to remember that. Let's just go over examples of bad debt and let's go over examples of good debt. So bad debt is something like a payday loan with high interest rates. Loans with high interest rates are definitely bad. Okay, a good debt is something like a student loan, an installment loan that is likely with a nice interest rate, a home mortgage. Those are good debts because you can get a 15-year fixed or a 30-year fixed. So that's not too much of a debt. And it doesn't take a toll on your livelihood because you are in that house. So always pay down the minimum payment every month to avoid additional fees and interest. Even if you cannot make the monthly payment, you can at least pay the minimum amount so that this will not hinder your credit as much. Always ask for forbearance or income-based repayment, such as an IBR plan. If you are having trouble with paying down your debt monthly, you can also use this to help you during troubled times. You can also work on additional streams of income, which is something that I am very excited about. I will be making a series on how to make income with additional streams of income. And I just wanted to give some examples, such as you can become a freelancer in whatever you like to do. So say, for instance, you like to code, you can become a web developer. If you like to make music, you can become a freelancer and make beats for people on a lot of actual freelancer websites. If you like to do videos and edit, you can freelance other people's videos and edit for them. You can also start a business, which will introduce you to a lot of opportunities in different ways to make more income with business credit. You can also start a YouTube channel, just like what I'm doing right now, where you can earn additional income regardless of what you like to do. If it's your passion, please start a YouTube channel. I highly recommend this for everyone that's watching this. You can write and sell a book. So if you like to write books, or you like to create cook recipes, or you're a fitness guru and you want to create a fitness guide, if you like to do marketing and you want to sell marketing tips, tons of things to do to write in a book and sell it. You can also create websites, just like I said earlier, which is definitely a major game changer in today's society as we're into technology. Creating websites is definitely a highly earned job. Also, you can create a financial goal planned by yourself and or with your spouse, which I highly recommend. If you are married, you can definitely create the financial goal with your loved one, because at the end of the day, this is what it is about. You can also download a budgeting app. I highly recommend Mint and Truebill, which are my favorites, and this just helped me keep in control of my payments, my bills, and what debt that I am currently in, and how I can pay it down every month. And it also helps me budget, and if I'm going over budget, it will let me know. If you don't budget as an adult, you are entirely being selfish and disrespectful to your financial being. And this is what I tell myself all the time when I just want to splurge. But I have to remember, it's not always about me. It's also about those that are around you and your loved ones. And being financially selfish will take a toll on you. So make sure to always take a deep breath. Let's just take a deep breath right now. Didn't it feel good? Always remind yourself that you are great and you can accomplish anything. And I hope that this video helped you guys, at least give you guys a fresher breath air, knowing that you aren't the only one going through this and that there are ways to get out of that. Hi everyone, this is Designer Soapbox. I just wanted to make this video to guys let you know that I am having a 50% off sale for 72 hours. Yes, a 50% off sale on the 24-hour express inquiry removal guide and also the late payment removal guide. So just head down to the description or to the pinned comments and click the link and get your 50% off. Remember, this inquiry removal will help you remove hard inquiries from your credit report within 24 hours. And then the late payment guide will help you remove your late payments very fast, super fast actually. If you're tired of disputing your late payments, waiting 30 to 45 days, this is a quicker method of getting these late payments removed. So if you guys enjoyed a lot of my content, I talk about this in my videos. However, I have this in an ebook. I'm doing 50% off for you guys. If you missed the 60% off sale, I'm doing one for 50% off. So I'll see you guys in the next video, and thanks for supporting, and make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Bye. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Make sure you check out my exclusive group at onlyfans.com/designer soapbox. I will still be giving out some more gems on that group. I'm already giving out gems, so make sure you go ahead over there and subscribe. And make sure you follow me on Instagram at Designer Soapbox. And make sure you check out those ebooks at designersoapbox.com. And I'll see you guys in the next video. And don't forget, guys, I love you all. Bye.